Hi everyone. By the thumbnail, you got an idea that in this video we are not going to learn something new. Rather than I'm going to check your knowledge in Python, that how much you have a knowledge of Python. So do you have a basic knowledge of Python or not? In this video, I'm going to give you two tasks, task A and task B. And these two tasks basically based on the basic concept of Pythons. The concept which you need to know before doing these tasks, you must have a knowledge of data types in Python and must have a knowledge of lists, set, tuples and dictionaries, and also you must have knowledge of loops as well as conditional statements. If you have knowledge of these concepts, then you are ready to go for these tasks. And guys, I have already covered all these concepts in my playlist, and if you don't know any of this concept, you can go to my playlist and you can watch from there. Without doing further delay, let's see what are these two tasks and what we have to do in these tasks. So guys, let's move to task A. So here you can see the statements. Write a program that takes 10 integers between 1 to 50 and counts the occurrence of each. So what does it mean? It's saying that you have to take 10 integers from the user, and that integer must be from 1 to 50, and after that you have to print the occurrence of each integer. Basically here each integer means each unique integer. So if still you are not getting by the statements, let's understand first sample input output. So here what it's saying that first of all you have to take 10 integer from the user. So here I took 10 integer, that is 1, 3, 1, 14, 43, 32, 14, 3, 14 and 43. These are 10 numbers which I took from the user, and you can see that these numbers are between 1 to 50. So now what you have to print? You have to print the occurrence of each unique integer. And guys, here you can see that we have 1, 3, 14, 43 and 32. These numbers are unique and rest numbers are repeating. So we have to print the occurrence of each integers 1, 3, 14 and 43 and 32. So let's see, 1 came how many times? 2 times. Here you can see that first time here and second time here. So we have printed occurrence of 1 is 2. Alright. And see, let's see occurrence of 3. Occurrence of 3, yeah, so 2, because we have seen that 3 came here one time and 3 here second time. So we have printed occurrence of 3, 2. And similarly 14 came 3 times. Here you can see that one time here, second time here and third time here. So we have printed occurrence of 14 is 3. Similarly 3 has came 2 times and 32 has came one time. So we all know that how to get that things using conditional statements, loops or any data types, list, set, dictionary, Python. I'm not going to here tell you that what you have to do, what procedure you have to follow, because it is your task. If you're not able to do, that means it will tell you that you need some revision. So guys, I believe now you got an idea that what this statement is saying and what you have to do in this task. Now let's move to a task B. So guys, what does it say? Write a program that take a sentence from the user. Alright, we have to take a sentence from the user and convert it into word list. We have to convert that sentence into a list of word. Alright. After that you have to print the count of words which have length greater than 2, and first and last character of word is same. So guys, what it's saying that once you convert that sentence into a list of words, then you have to count that words which have length greater than 2 as well as the last and first character of that word is same. So I know many of you are getting confused here. So let's understand with sample input output what does it mean. So let's say here the sentence is given by the user is an open eye, trust and level. I know this doesn't make sense, but for now keep that sentence in mind that user enter this sentence. Alright. So now what you have to do, you have to make a list of word. So here I have made it the list. You can see here that this is a list which I made it from that. Here you can see that the word an, open, eye, trust and level. So what after doing that, what you have to do, you have to see the every word if the word is having a length greater than 2 as well as the first and the last character of the word is same, then you have to count that word. Okay, so let's see. The first word which I am getting is n, and guys we know that it has only 2 characters, that means the length is 2 and we are not matching with the statements. It's saying that length must be greater than 2. so we are not going to consider it. Okay, so far we have a count of word is 0. So now let's move to the next one, that is open. Open has a length 4, alright, which is greater than 2, and the first and the last character is O and N, which is not matching, so we are not going to consider this one also. So we have still our count is 0. Now let's move to the next word, which is I, which has length 3 and that is greater than 2. Okay, and also we can see that the first and the last character, which is E, which is same. So we are going to consider this one and we will say that now my count is not 0, it is 1. So far we have I is a word which has length greater than 2 as well as the first and the last character is same. Okay, so now let's move to the next one, which is trust, and we can say that the length is here 5, which is greater than 2, alright, as well as the last and the first word we can see here is T, which is same. So we are going to consider this one as well, and then now our count is not 1, it is 2. We have two words which are meeting these conditions. So now let's move to the next one, and here you can see that it is having a length 3, which is greater than 2, but the last and the first character is not matching. The first character is A and the last character is T, so we are not going to consider this one. Okay, so now let's move to the next one, which is level, which is having a length 5 and which is greater than 2, alright, and the first and the last character, which is L, which is same, so we are going to consider this one, and now we have a count is 3. So now our list has over, we have no more elements. So now what we are going to print, we are going to print our count, which is 3, and you can see that the output is 3 only. So now I believe you got an idea that what you have to do in this program. I have given almost 50% hint that how to solve that program. Now I believe you will do it, and still if you are not able to do it, don't worry, I will paste the link of my solutions in the description. You can check out from there, you can learn, you can understand from that. But guys, before moving to my solutions, you have to try once. It's not like that just after watching this video go to the solutions and started understanding from that. No, you have to spend some time on it. If you're not getting an idea, then keep thinking, maybe it will increase your thinking capacity. So I am again repeating that first try yourself. If you are not able to do, then only go to the solution part, but first give a try. And I will also try to make a video on these questions, but it may take a week or a month. So if you are watching this video after a month, then you may find the link in the description, but still you have to give once a try, then go to the videos or a solution. So that's all in this video. Hope you like it. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe my channel. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.